How to replace the side panel on the Human Touch Quies massage chair. Be sure to keep all parts and keep track of where each screw is removed from for reassembly. To remove the side panel, you will first need to remove the foot and calf massager and the backrest cover. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery and then remove the foam insert. Remove the clips securing each side of the foot and calf massager to the posts by using a small flathead screwdriver to wedge it open, just enough to pull the clip off. Slightly lift and slide the foot and calf massager to one side, off of the post, then to the other side to remove the massager. Do not detach the connectors. Remove the two screws that secure the front of the side panel to the chair frame. We will be replacing the left-hand side panel, but if you are replacing the other side, you may follow the same instructions for the right-hand side panel. Now, locate and open the small zippered pocket next to the shoulder airbag and remove the two screws and washers inside the pocket. It's important that you do not drop the screws or washers into the chair. Then, remove the 4 screws securing the backrest cover to the chair, then detach the cover. Remove the 2 screws that secure the rear of the side panel to the chair frame. Detach the side panel just enough to set them alongside the chair, and disconnect the air hose and connector. The right-hand side panel will only have an air hose. To install the new side panel, place it into position. Connect the cable. Then attach the air hose, pushing firmly to secure. And insert the USB charging port through the cable guide. Now, insert the upper bracket into the small pocket under the shoulder airbag, and slide the horseshoe bracket onto the post. Then, while pushing inward, slide the side panel backward, hooking the metal bracket over the lower frame of the chair to secure it. Then, at the back of the chair, replace the 2 lower screws and washers to secure the rear of the side panel. Install the backrest cover by inserting the tabs on the bottom edge of the cover into their corresponding slots on the chair base, then attach the top to their corresponding fasteners on the upper backrest and secure the cover with the 4 screws previously removed. Replace the 2 screws and washers inside the zippered pocket, then close the pocket. Secure the front of the side panel with the 2 screws previously removed. Install the foot and calf massager by inserting each side onto the post, one at a time, and secure using the clips previously removed. Then, replace the foam insert and zip the foot and calf massager upholstery to the backrest pad.